So list views are important for organization of databases and pipelines and pipeline management. So here we can see we have our prospects pipeline. This comes standard for CANDID. So we can see we have all of our prospect information here. What we can do is we can actually create new list views and we can edit these existing ones. So we have our filters over here where we can filter down who is actually displayed in the list view. And then we also have our list view controls, our select fields to display, where we can choose what is displayed here. So if, for example, I did not want the street, but I wanted to add our LOA1 field here, I could go ahead and grab LOA1, send that over, and then save, and that data would show over here in my list view here. So I can also clone list views by going to my list view controls and clicking on clone and creating a new list view. I can choose who I want to share it with and save it. And here I can make edits to this cloned one so I don't edit the original. As I'm trying to figure out exactly what I am looking for here. So you can filter by all of this data accordingly and then just choose what's displayed here. So that's going to be our prospects. We can easily click into any of these prospects from this list view as well and see important information. We have the same for deals also. So we have our contract to close list view for deals. Again, we can use our list view controls to clone this or select our fields to display. We can also use our filters, but here, this contract to close one's going to come standard with CANDID, and this is just going to show everyone currently in contract to close. So again, super great for pipeline management here, and I can still easily click into any of these deals to click into the actual file itself as well. We also have our closed pipeline here, so we can see all of this data here. So if you want to see everyone who's already closed, you can see that here. Some things you can do here is you could actually filter by interest rate. So if I wanted to go into my select fields to display, and let's just say I don't really care about these last three here, but I do want to display my interest rate. I'm going to find interest rate here, add it to my list view and save. And then I can even filter this down and I can say I only want to see interest rates that are greater than, let's say, 5.68%. Save. It's going to filter down the data that I'm able to view here. So again, this is just going to be super helpful. And then here I could even send a bulk SMS or send a mass email to my target audience that I have filtered down here as well. And to remove a filter, I can simply click the X and click on save here. So super helpful. And then last main list view I want to cover is accounts. So we have our My Accounts here. Of course, you have your realtors option as well. So in this list view, under my filters, we can see that I'm looking for the type equals realtor. So here I could click my little drop down. I could send a bulk SMS or a bulk email to all my realtors in my database as well. So these list views are going to be super important to send mass communications and then also just organize your databases of contacts and loans as well.